Welcome to the first video. This video is going to be opening up the vape box I got for August of 2018. Vapebox is the monthly subscription that sends vape juice and or accessories to your house every month. So let's just get into it. So they do have your little menu telling you what y'all got. Let's take a look. A nice bottle of juice. That is watermelon sour straws. Next item we got another bottle of juice, which is going to be blueberry custard with fruit and cream. Next bottle of juice here. Blend of strawberry and kiwi. That'll be a nice one to try. Looking forward to that. And then the final bottle we got here. Juicy pears and forest fruits from the Amazon. Pretty nice little selection this month. Kind of excited to try them all out. And then the final piece looks like an RDA. Nice packaging. Ooh, boy, that looks nice. The Venus RDA from Stage Vape. It's got some nice cool etching on it. Can't wait to use this little guy. And even a squonk pin. So I'm going to have to break out some squonks for this guy here. This is the enthusiast plan from Vapebox. So it comes with at least 120 mils of juice and an accessory or hardware. Got all these guys here. Normally would have paid about $109. I only paid about $67 with shipping. That's a good deal, nice and quick, came in 2 days. If you liked the video, please hit that subscribe button, and we're going to be making some more videos here soon, so stay tuned.